Hello everyone, this is Shawn from TMYTEK. Today we are going to demonstrate a bin tracking systems operating at 28 GHz in FR2 bands with our devices. So this is our new product for transmitter. We use 8x8 dual, which have a 64 phase array antenna and also include up and down converter. It can directly connect to an SDR. And for receiver, we are using a horn antenna connected our up and down converter called BBox 0630. And between, to extend the coverage, we have implemented 20 GHz Dynamic RIS. So finally, we have a key component right here. We are using our Power Detector, which can detect the power level and manage the whole bin tracking systems via our API. When the power level drops, the system automatically triggers a rescan to find the optimal bin angles for all devices. Here is the real demo. When I use my hand to block the signal, you can see the SIG connections drops. When I move my hands, you can see the signals recovers immediately. I'll physically rotate the BBox 8x8 dual. You can see the connections weakens for a few seconds, and after rescan, it successfully tracks to the best angle and the constellation is returned back. And this is the demonstration of our bin tracking system. By using a simple, effective algorithm to integrate API with our hardware, we aim to make the wireless research can be more efficient and time-saving. Thank you for your watching.
Remember to subscribe, like, and ring the bell.